It's a humongous bull red. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's a humongous bull red. Wow, this is the biggest redfish I've ever seen in my life. Renaissance people, what's going on? Renaissance Cam here, back in effect. Today, as you can see, we're back out here on the water, and I'm excited. All right, so I hope you guys are excited as well. Today we will be targeting black drum. All right, now these fish get humongous. All right, and they happen to be around these islands and stuff right here. So we're gonna drop down for some. We're gonna throw some live shrimp at them and see if we can pull some from the bottom. All right, let's do this. Alright guys, so as far as my rig goes, I'm using a pin. This is a Pursuit 3. It's about a heavy to medium action rod. It's rigged with 40-pound braid, and we have it might be a 1 ounce weight, and then we have some leader here. This is wire leader, 45-pound leader. It's about 18 inches, and this is a number 8 aught hook, 8-aught hook, not a number 8-aught. All right, 8-aught circle hook, and we're just gonna rig this with about 3 or 4 shrimp, dead shrimp, and we're gonna work this thing out. All right guys, so all I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna drop this directly by the piling, just like this right here. I'm gonna drop it directly down there. I'm gonna let it get all the way to the bottom. It's important to use a heavy enough weight because this water, we just had a storm out here, so this water is real swift right now, and it's still trying to calm down. So we're just gonna drop it down to the bottom, and we're gonna sit here and wait for them. All right?
A few moments later.
All right, guys, I think we got one. We got one. Yep, that's him. That's him. That's him. Big one. Big one here. Oh, God. Oh, oh. He's gonna break me up. He's gonna break me up. Oh, my God. Wow, I already saw him. I never used to see him at first. But he's huge. Wow, look at this. Ooh, he's huge. No, don't go this way. Come here this way. Ah, he's not turning either. He's not turning. Back to the turn. Don't have my net or anything. Coming up, he's coming up. Coming up. Probably a 35, 40-pound fish. There he goes. There he goes. Oh my God, he's ugly. Wow. Wow. He's ugly, dude. This guy's been there for a while, man. Oh my God, he's going under the counter. That didn't take long at all, guys. That probably took me maybe 3 minutes. Wow, this thing's huge. Wow. Okay. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Swim this way for me, please. Swim this way for me, please. Yep, this guy's huge, man. I need my grippers or something. 1 second. 1 second. He's tired. We got current. We got current going. I don't even know if I can grip him. He's huge. He's huge. Oh. redfish I've ever seen in my life. Oh my god, it's a bull. I never see bull reds out here. That's the crazy part about it. That is a ginormous. Oh my god. They got like, his head is like all messed up. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is like a 40-pound bull red, right? 40 pounds. Easy 40 pounds. Oh my god. God, you can't keep bull red. This guy's huge, bro. Oh my god, are you kidding me? I can't even grip him. I mean, this guy is struggling. I wouldn't even want to keep him. He's huge, but he's struggling. Ah. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Come here. Oh my god, he took off. Wow. This is a humongous bull red, bro. This is a giant bull red. Please let me just see. Please let you see. Ah, he's huge. I can't get him. I can't get him. No, don't go down the top. Come back this way, buddy. Please. Please come back up. Please, buddy, come back up. There you go. Come on. Come on in. I'm gonna let you go, buddy. I'm gonna let you go. Let me see you. Come here. Come here. Come here. Let you go, buddy. I just want to see you. I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna let you go. Come here. I want to see you. I want to see you. This way. Come this way. Come on. Come on. Oh my god. You fight harder than a regular black drum. Ridiculous. Come on. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on up. Come on up. He's got to be hooked perfectly, too, because he doesn't do anything. He can't take it. He's still swimming. What is wrong with this dude? What is wrong with this dude, man? Oh, my God. We had 5 minutes already. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. You got a pretty stop. Good stop. Another one. 2 of them. Oh, let me get my net. Let me get my net. Come on, baby. Get in there. Oh, my hand hurts. Oh. right, we got a net, we got a net, we got a net. Right, come on, baby. Come on, big boy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow. Oh my God, wow. Whew. Help me, God. All right. That thing is huge, man. Wow. Oh yeah. That's a log right there, baby. That's a log right there. Still could look a little sick. But look at this. There we go, fellas and ladies. There's our 30 pounds, 35 bull red. As you can see, he is beat down. I'm gonna go ahead and get him back in the water so he can swim back off all injured and stuff. But he's been down there for a long time. I've never caught a redfish around these pylons, but that's a giant redfish right there. Alright guys, so that ended up being the only big fish I caught today. So I did end up catching some small catfish, but I didn't come in for that. So all in all, there's never a bad day of fishing, especially if you're out here with scenery like this. It's always a blessing being out here. So I appreciate y'all for watching this video. I hope y'all had fun, because that was personally my best redfish. That was my biggest redfish I ever caught. So even though he was all mangy looking and sick, I still had fun catching him, and he was released back into the wild safely. So no harm done. Alright. So once again, I appreciate y'all for watching this video. Hope y'all continue to watch my videos. Make sure y'all hit that like and subscribe button. Leave a comment. Let me know what your biggest redfish is. I didn't really get a good accurate measurement on him, but I would estimate he was about 35 to 40 pounds and a little over 45 inches maybe. So yeah, that was a huge fish to me. But yeah, y'all remember to keep on learning, and I'll see y'all next time.